welcome class 7 students. Today in this class I will solve two special sums for you. At the end of exercise 13 you can see sum number 49 and sum number 50 is a little bit different. Numerical figures are given but you have to assume those numerical figure as algebraic expression and use the formula, apply the formula of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square to solve the sum. So let's see how we will solve the two sums, the last two sums given in exercise 13, that is sum number 49 and sum number 50. We will start with sum number 49 of the formula chapter, exercise 13. 49. In sum number 49 it is given that a numerical value is given 0.73, decimal numerical value is given 0.73 into 0.73 plus 2 into 0.73 into 0.27 plus 0.27 into 0.27. This is the total sum given. See, numerical sum is given. So if we consider 0.73 as A and 0.73 as A and 0.27, the first and the last term we are assuming as A and B respectively. We are assuming the first term 0.73 as A and 0.27 as an algebraic expression B. For our convenience we are doing this. We are assuming this. So now how can we express this sum? With the help of these two algebraic expression we have to express this sum. So 0.73 into 0.73 will be A into A plus 2 into A into B. Why B? Because 0.27 is assumed as B plus 0.27 into 0.27, that is B into B. So in this way we will express the particular sum through the algebraic expression that we have assumed in order to simplify the sum. Now you can see that this A into A becomes A square plus 2 into A into B plus B into B becomes B square. So we can easily relate this sum with A plus B whole square. We can easily relate this numerical problem with the formula A plus B whole square. That means A plus B whole square formula can easily be applied in this sum. This is nothing but the formula of A plus B whole square. Here A, now we will put the numerical value. What is the numerical value of A over here? The numerical value of A is 0.73. So 0.73 we will write plus 0.27 we will write over here and keep the bracket, close the bracket and give a square. Now we will evaluate this. We will add this 0.73 and 0.27. Let's see what is coming. We are getting 1. By adding this we are getting 1.00, which means 1. 1 square, which is 1. So see how big the sum was and what is the simplified version of the answer we are getting. The answer is so simple only because we have applied the formula A plus B whole square. Whenever these type of sums will be given to you, that is, you will be given a huge numerical number and you will be asked to evaluate the value of this, you always have to apply the formula. Without applying the formula of A plus B whole square or A minus B whole square, you cannot simply find out the answer. You cannot find out the answer by only multiplication and addition. Please don't do that. Don't do multiplication and addition and evaluate the answer. Apply the formula. These type of sums you always have to apply the formula of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square to evaluate. Without applying the formula, only multiplication and addition will not fetch the marks. So these sums are given from the formula chapter. It implies that you have to use, repeatedly I am telling you, you have to use the formula a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. These two formula you have to apply and then evaluate the answer. This formula is to be applied. It is compulsory for you to apply this formula over these type of sums and find out the answer. Let's move on to the next sum, that is sum number 50, the last sum of the exercise, that is also given in this form. Sum number 50. Let's see what is given in sum number 50. In sum number 50 it is given that 995 into 995. In the same way, a huge numerical number and a huge calculation is given, which we can simply avoid by applying the formula. We will simply avoid all the calculations, all the big calculations, and apply the formula of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Let's see which formula we can apply over here in this sum. 995 into 995 minus 2 into 995 into 990 plus 990 into 990, 990 into 990. So this is the sum. This is the sum. Now here let us take 995 as A and 990 as B. Then putting A and B in place of 995 and 990 respectively, we get this line. You have to write, which I have not written in the previous sum, but here in this sum I have written also. I will solve in the class also. I will provide a PDF also where I will write this line. So writing of this line is mandatory. Putting A and B in place of 995 and 990 respectively, we get A into A plus, no, not plus is there. In this sum minus is given. So minus 2 into A into B plus B into B. That means A square minus 2AB plus B square. Here which formula is applied? The formula of A minus B whole square is applied. Here A means, again we will put the value of A means, here A is 995 and B is 990. So we will place 995 minus 990 whole square, which means it is 5 whole square, 5 square. Now 5 square means 25. So 25 is the answer of sum number 50. We are getting 25. So you can see how simply we can get the answer of this huge numerical problem, avoiding all kind of addition, subtraction, multiplication. Everything we are avoiding. We are just applying the formula of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square and finding out the answer of the huge numerical problem through applying simple formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Thus we come to an end to the chapter, we are coming to the end of this exercise 13. Exercise 13 is ending over here. Whatever sums I have done in the class and whatever sums I have provided in the video and the PDF, that sums, only those sums practice hard. In my next video, I will start exercise 14, the next exercise of formula chapter. Till then, goodbye.